Are you looking for a place in Thailand where you can step from your bungalow directly onto the sand? Then take a good look at this place. It really deserves to be discovered. This place is in the top 5 cheapest accommodations on Lamai Beach. Welcome to the Magic Resort, located directly on Lamai Beach, just a few minutes from the center of Lamai. Here, there's no need to take a taxi or cross a road to reach the sea. You step out of the bungalow and you are directly on the beach. And one of the biggest highlights of the place is the restaurant setup facing the sea. Directly on the beach, one of the biggest highlights of the place is the restaurant setup facing the sea. You can have your breakfast, lunch or dinner there. The prices for meals and beer are unbeatable. It's the cheapest I've found on this beach, and with this just fantastic view of the sea right in front of you. And if you just want to relax, there's a massage right on the beach, or conversely, if you feel like moving, well, this resort also offers water activities. You can go jet skiing right in front of the resort, or you can even take excursions and discover other parts of the island, like Pig Island, directly from the resort. If you're coming with your family and have kids, there's an inflatable water park right next door for some crazy afternoons. There are several bungalow models, but the bungalows are quite simple, yet very comfortable and very clean. And that's what makes the Magic Resort so charming. To give you an idea of the prices, the cheapest one, the standard bungalow with a fan, is 790 baht in the low season and 1,190 baht in the high season. And the strong point is actually you also have air conditioning. And if you are coming as a family, the family bungalow for 4 people is 2,990 baht in the low season and 3,590 baht in the high season. Then you have other deluxe bungalows for 1, 2 or 3 people with air conditioning, which are a little bit more expensive and range from 1,890 baht in the low season to 2,690 baht in the high season. And what visitors particularly appreciate here is the warm welcome and this feeling of being in a small family-run place rather than a huge tourist complex. So if you are in Koh Samui and looking for a simple, authentic place right on the beach, add the Magic Resort to your list and let me know in the comments if you knew about this place. And I'll see you in the next video, which will continue to cover the top 5 cheapest places on Lamai Beach on the island of Koh Samui.